Hey everyone, I'm Charlie from Merchant Automotive here with Eric to discuss an additional injector offering we have for your 2001 to 2004 LB7 Duramax. The SAC00 or SAC00 from S&S Diesel Motorsports. So Eric, what exactly is an SAC injector and how does it differ from this VCO found on the original LB7 engines?
SAC is it refers to the nozzle design. So VCO is a valve covered orifice, which is the design used on the LB7s. LOI and newer, GM or Bosch has moved to a SAC style injector. So the noticeable thing that you'll notice is the later trucks don't seem to have a problem with the hazing at idle, the smoking, that kind of thing. That's because they use that SAC style injector. The VCO injector that came in these trucks originally, basically what's happening is the needle inside the nozzle itself has to go down there and seal all the individual nozzle holes on the tip of the injector. So any wear in that nozzle will allow some fuel leakage to get past, and that's where the smoking comes from. So a SAC style injector relies on one sealing surface for the nozzle. So and it seals above where those spray holes are. So the easiest way to describe it would be a valve on a cylinder head of a car. It just seals all the way around in one spot, and then when the valve opens, it allows the air, or in this case the fuel, to come out the nozzle. Whereas the VCO nozzle, all those individual nozzle holes have to be sealed off. There's a little graphic we'll put on the screen that'll help highlight that a little better.
Okay, so with the SAC nozzle, can we expect a difference in life expectancy over the VCOs?
Definitely. Life expectancy is going to come down to a couple things. One is the design of the product, or the quality of the product, and two, especially when dealing with fuel system stuff, is going to be the cleanliness and the quality of the install. You can take the nicest and best part out there, and if it's a sloppy install or dirty and not clean, it's not going to last. So a couple of the good quality of the design and the product, and a good install with good cleanliness, new high pressure lines, take good care and everything, and you should expect a good long life out of these injectors.
Okay. And can these be used with existing VCO injectors?
No, you really don't want to do that, and there's a couple of reasons for that. One is if you're mixing up parts, it's generally not really a good idea. You're taking an engine with existing injectors in it, and then if you introduce a new injector, well, now you have fuel system components that have different amounts of wear on them. Generally what will happen is the truck will have injector problems again, and usually the new injectors will be at blame just as much as the existing injectors. The design of the injector is so that it matches the factory calibrations perfectly. This injector is fully Carb compliant, which is important with all the emission regulations and everything. The other thing is they are going to be very subtly different in how they deliver fuel into that engine. So you're also going to be chasing balance rates. If you're the type of customer that watches his balance rates quite a bit, you're going to see some fluctuations, and that's just subtle differences. And you've got new versus old parts. You're mixing parts that way. So we really don't want to see these things mixed up. If you've got stock VCO style injectors in, you're going to want to replace all 8 with the SAC style. That's going to be the best results. If you only want to do 4 of your VCO for whatever reason, or individuals, we're going to recommend you go back with a VCO style nozzle to do that. So these should only be replaced in sets of 8.
So these injectors are available on our website along with all your Duramax and Allison needs at merchant-automotive.com, or feel free to give us a call anytime, and thanks for watching.